Hello, in this video I will teach you how to create your first crypto wallet. For example, I will use such a crypto wallet as a MetaMask. Okay, let's get started. Open your browser. I use Google Chrome. Then go to Extensions tab. Open an extension store. Type MetaMask in the search bar and hit enter. Click on the first MetaMask extension and next, add to Chrome. Wait until it installs. After installation, the wallet creation page will open. Click Get Started. Then I agree and create a wallet. Create a strong password. And click Create. Next, open a window with a secret recovery phrase. Copy and save in a safe place, or even better, write it down somewhere on paper. Because if you lose this phrase, you will never be able to restore your wallet and the money that will be on it. Click Next. Now we need to repeat our phrase word by word in the same sequence as we saved it. Confirm. Click All Done. Congrats! You created your first crypto wallet. Here is your wallet address. To copy, just click on it. You can also save the copied address somewhere for yourself. Now you can share it with your friends, buy and sell cryptocurrency, make exchanges and so on. But how to do it all I will tell you in the next video. Subscribe to the channel, and click on notifications, in order not to miss new videos. If you have questions, ask in the comments. Thanks for watching.